Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. So we are going to make a Halloween card today, and we're using the simple, this is the Shake Your Candy Corn Shaker die, and it's new for the new Falloween release. We also have the add-on here, which is the Simple Sentiments Halloween edition, and there is some really fun sentiments in there. We have Creep It Real, Spooky, Hey Boo, we have Happy Halloween as well, and so really fun. And then I have this layered candy corn, and so I'm going to use that. I actually have a background here made, so I'm going to use that to save some time. So I'm going to use this die here, and I love all the stitching on it, and I'm going to use this orange cardstock to cut it out. And I did think about cutting it out with this candy corn background, but I'm just going to use the orange cardstock. And you can easily do different parts, like you could use the white and do yellow, and I'll have to try that next time, but I just stuck with orange. And it would look cute like that as well, but we're going to make a shaker, and so I'm going to cut out the back with the orange cardstock, and I cut it out with the acetate, and it didn't cut it out completely, which is okay because I just fussy cut it out where the lines were. Maybe I needed a shim or something. And so now I'm just going to glue that acetate, glue my die cut on that acetate there with a tape runner. And then I will put those together and start adding my foam strip. It's 1/4 inch foam strips all the way around, and I'm going to double up my foam strips here so I have a nice wall for my shaker bits. But let me tell you a little bit about the hop. So we are so excited to be sharing projects using our newest release, and watch all the videos from the KS Creative crew, and I will have the playlist down below for everyone who's participating in the hop today. And this giveaway ends on October 11th, and we also have an Instagram hop, so check out that hop as well, and you can win a $15 gift card to the Kat Scrappiness store. And so you want to make sure you're subscribed to the KS newsletter, and I will have all the details down below, and so I hope you have fun hopping, because I will be hopping as well. I always enjoy sharing, not sharing, but like giving love to my fellow DT members, so I will do that. And so now I'm just adding my foam strips, and I am going to be adding these fun shaker bits. So the new one I'm using is Tangerine Dream solid round confetti sequins, and so pretty. And then I use the Halloween candy corn sprinkle mix, and I was just showing you some other candy corn mix that is really cute. They're like little kawaii candy corns. So I'm also adding some liquid glue, just so that my shaker is really secure. I wouldn't want my shaker coming apart, especially if I mail it out. So, and I'm just adding the backing here, and it was really easy to do. And if you don't like using foam, you can also die cut it out a bunch of times and then just glue them together, all your layers. Sometimes I like to make shakers that way too. So now I'm going to use this fun new sentiment stamp set, Halloween edition, and I'm going to stamp them with black ink, stamp the stamp set with black ink on this orange cardstock that I've been using. And then I will be stamping them on other colors of cardstock. So this is white. So I like to do that with these stamp sets. I like to stamp them in all different colors, and that way I have a bunch in my stash ready to go for my future projects. And I love the coordinating die because it will just cut them all out at one time. And so that's why I decided to stamp them on all kinds of different colors and then cut them all out. And I love some of those. So those are the colors I used. I probably should have done yellow. That would have been fun for this candy corn card. So now I'm going to line up the coordinating die, and it's really easy to do. I just had it backwards or upside down. And there's a way to tell if it's lined up. It has symbols on the top and on the bottom. They kind of look like a plus symbol. And I will die cut those and use my Anna Griffith die cutting machine. And so there they are, and I'm just going to put some in triangle embellishment trays, and then I will put them away later. So now it's time to put my card together. So I'm just going to glue this shaker to my background. And then I will add 3 sentiments, because why not? So I'm doing Happy Halloween, and I added foam tape to that one. And I think I added, I don't think I added foam. Oh yeah, I did add foam tape to the other 2 as well. So Spooky and Creep It Real. And I think it looks really fun. And then I glued it to an A2 card base. And I'm also going to embellish a little more with that Tangerine Dream solid round confetti sequence, because they're just so pretty. And I really love that orange. So I'm going to add 3 there. So I hope you enjoyed my card tutorial today. I had a lot of fun making this card, and happy World Card Making Day, and I hope you have fun crafting today and hopping as well. And don't forget to check back to see if you are the winner, and have a wonderful day. And here is a close-up. Thank you, and see you soon.